QNT at the time of this recording continues to hold above a significant key area of support above the $62.9, and on today's video I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis and give you reasons why we can easily see a 10x here on the QNT chart in the next coming months. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since launch back in 2021, where we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, taking us to all-time highs above the $429.7. And after we got an all-time high, we started a corrective structure in the bear market, where we got a bear market low below the $40. And after we got our bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave move to the upside, where we got that high for that Elliot wave count 5, giving us a high above the $229.4 in a move that completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in that higher Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high that we made above the $229, giving us a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we managed to fully maximize. And at some point we lost the fib level 0.5, that is the fib level 0.618, in a move that made me to extend the target areas to the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies above the $81.4, which is an area that we also fully maximized. And at some point we also lost that area on the Fibonacci's, making me to extend the target area to the last line of support, which is the fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies above the $63.6, which is an area that we have continued to hold. And as long as we are holding above this area, there are high chances that we can easily bottom out in this second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can easily start our aggressive bounce to the upside in this larger Elliot wave count 3. And assuming that we have a low in place in this larger Elliot wave count 2, since we have fully maximized the minimum target areas, then using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the bear market lows to the high that we made above the $229, then dragging the fibs to the low that we have at the moment below the $63, we can get a minimum target area for that larger Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $364. That is the minimum target area that we can expect that Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. That means that there are high chances that in the next coming months, once we start that aggressive bounce, that is the first minimum target area to watch out for in that Elliot wave count 3. And if we get an extended Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, then I will have the fib level 2.618, which perfectly lies above the $549.6 as my next target area. And if I mark out the minimum target area for the wave 3 at the $364, then try to get a minimum target area for what we can expect in an Elliot wave count 5 of this Elliot wave structure over here. I will be extending the fibs to the minimum target area over there, having the first target area for an Elliot wave count 5, which we expect after seeing an Elliot wave count 4, having the minimum target areas at the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the $476.9. And if we manage to break above that and continue seeing even higher prices, then we can have the fib level 1.618 as our next target area, which perfectly lies above the $662.4. And in case we get a massive bounce to those areas in the next coming months, that will be suggesting that we can easily see a 10x here on the QNT chart based on the current prices that we have at the moment. So this is a good DCA area within which I have my DCA orders placed, and that is not financial advice, so do not buy, hold or sell any crypto based on what I'm suggesting on today's video. I have my DCA orders placed within this red target area over here because I believe once the bull market is here, there are high chances that I can easily manage to hit a 10x here on the QNT chart once those target areas are fully maximized. So that is what I'm expecting, and that's my long-term price prediction analysis. And make sure that you also follow the channel so that you can also get the short-term price prediction analysis. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.